There are three ways in which we can remove the stickiness of lady fingers or okra. The first method is a natural one. Wash the lady fingers thoroughly and then slice them properly and then sun dry it till the moisture evaporates. When you touch them and see, it should almost be dry. And in this state, if you start frying the lady fingers, they will absorb less oil, as well as you will find that there will be no stickiness after preparing the curry. Now for the second method, when we start frying the lady fingers or okra, just add 1 ladle of curd, mix well and place the lid. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes. When you open the lid, you will find that the moisture is completely absorbed and the stickiness is also gone with the help of the curd. Now for the method 3. When we if you are interested to make a dry curry out of okra, when we start frying the lady fingers, add a little bit of lemon juice or tamarind juice or little bit of amchur powder. Mix it well, place the lid and then start frying it. When it is ready, you could see that there will be no stickiness found in it.